In this video, we're going to take a quick tour of the interface so that you become familiar with the layout, allowing you to easily find basic tools and features. Let's start with the Quick Access toolbar. It's located here in the top left of the interface. This can be set to show regularly used commands. By default, it has the Save, Undo, and Redo options. Under the Quick Access toolbar is the ribbon. The ribbon is made of label tabs where tools related to those labels are grouped. The most frequently accessed tools are grouped under the Home tab, and it's usually selected by default. You know when a tab is selected when it is the same color as the ribbon. If I click the Page Layout tab, notice it changes color. In each tab, the tools are further grouped. Like here on the Home tab, all the font tools are grouped together, and all the alignment tools are grouped together. That should help you find the tool you're looking for in the tab. Under the ribbon, we have the name box and the formula bar. The name box shows you what cell or cells you have selected, and the formula bar shows you the contents of the cell. You may be wondering what a cell is. We'll get to that in a second. Below the formula bar and the name box is the worksheet area. The worksheet is made up of cells. The sheet has rows which go horizontally down the page, labeled by numbers, and columns which go vertically across the page, labeled by letters. Cells are these individual blocks where the rows and columns intersect. The cells are named using the column and the row, just like you were playing Battleship. So right now, cell A1 is selected. Just check out the name box. If I click here, I have cell D3 selected. Below the worksheet is its name. By default, it's called Sheet 1. You can add another sheet by clicking the New Sheet button here. To the right of the name of the sheet, we have the horizontal and vertical sliders, which allow you to scroll to view further cells across or down the worksheet. Finally, at the bottom of the interface are the Page View buttons, which change the way you can view the information. The normal view, where you see all the cells, the page layout view, how it will look when it's printed, and the page break preview. Also, next to those, we have the zoom tools, which allows you to zoom out or zoom in on your information.